So here at Shivashakti Yoga Retreat, we've probably got one of the best accommodation venues in the whole of Rishikesh and Tapovan Valley for the environment. Look at the waterfalls down there, if you can see, and over here we've got absolutely crystal clear water. This is where I've been doing the cleanup project, and Ram, the owner of this centre, has said for this building that I'm in now, and I'll show you some of the rooms, that he'll give half price stay to everybody that comes and dedicates their time to keeping this river clean and creating a clean green zone. So basically what I'm proposing is going to start just another half a kilometre down this valley, which is a natural entry to the area, and we're going to have a meeting tonight with some local people and discuss how to create this clean green zone and keep it rolling. But yeah, check this out. This is the real green area of Rishikesh. It just doesn't exist anywhere else.